Though not the smoking gun piece of evidence many had hoped for, the optics in the numbers claimed by ex-Senator Sonny Trillanes in his bombshell affidavit do not look good for embattled Vice President Sara Duterte, who is on her way out of the country for personal reasons. And she claims she has never been charged for misuse of public funds and advises her critics to look more into the flood control scandal issue, which has been stuck on idle right now. Our Maribel Custodio tells us more.
18 out of 18. That is the number of the billion peso transactions confirmed by the Anti-Money Laundering Council AMLAC involving the bank accounts of Vice President Sara Duterte and her family. Among these are alleged transactions linked to suspected drug lord Samuel Uy. This comes after House Senior Minority Leader Laila de Lima conducted a random selection to test the validity of the annexes in the sworn affidavit of former Senator Sonny Trillanes. During the House Committee on Justice hearing on the impeachment complaints against the Vice President this Wednesday.
So for the record, 18 out of 18 transactions randomly selected from the annexes of Sinumpang Salaysay of Honorable Trillanes were confirmed by the AMLC, at least to the extent that similar transactions appear in their report.
Sana ay tuloy-tuloy na ito para matanggal na yung mabasag na yung pagpapanggap ng Duterte family na sila ay mga simple mga tao. Pero dito nakita natin, bukod sa kurakot sila, yung pera nila galing sa illegal na droga.
It was also discovered that Vice President Sara Duterte and her husband, Attorney Manasseh Carpio, declared no cash on hand and deposits in their SALN from 2019 to 2024. However, AMLAC records show transactions during the same period that were not reflected in her SALN. Meanwhile, AMLAC reports show red flag transactions linked to the Duterte-Carpio couple reached 6.7 billion pesos from 2006 to 2025.
Total of 6+ billion ang lumabas at pumasok at mas malaki ang pumasok kaysa lumabas sa bank account. Parang sinasuggest nito na may bilyones pa na posibleng nasa mga accounts na ito na hindi dineclare. Therefore, basis for betrayal of public trust, impeachment, trial sa Senado.
In a statement, the Vice President said her service record is clean and that she has never been charged over the use of public funds. She also questioned the lack of clear answers on alleged anomalies in multi-billion peso flood control projects and other issues facing the country.
Yes, dapat lahat ng tumanggap ng maleta ay managot, lalo na dito sa flood control. Pero si VP mukhang may maleta rin. Iyan ang naipakita nung proceedings kahapon. No, may unexplained wealth. Kaya hindi siya pwedeng magbelinis, hindi pwedeng maghugas kamay o magturo ng iba dahil may nakaturo din sa kanya ngayon.
Nakumpirma na ng AMLAC, bilyon-bilyon ng pera, tapos bukod doon sila tumatanggap sa drug lord. Ngayon, bahala na yung taong bayan kung magpapakakulto sila o maghanap naman tayo na maayos sa Diyos.
Vel Custodio for the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.